So, hi dear Capricorn, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal of reading for all the Capis, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind, this is general. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed also. Third thing, this is a reading from 12th to the 18th of August for those who are in complete no contact or communication and wants to know what's going on the other side. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video, okay? If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life. Okay, the link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono, but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, it's a pre-recorded 1 hour masterclass, but it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Cappies, the person that you're in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Let's see. We have the Lovers, the Three of Cups, the Ten of Wands. Bottom of the deck is the Moon card. Oh, either you are having somebody else in your life or they are having somebody else in their life, but this is too stressful for them to deal with the situation because one of you is already committed or married to somebody else, or one of you is not able to leave the other person or other energy to be with each other. It's like Capricorn, it could be very much possible that you're already having a new lover or a new person and you're enjoying your life, you're enjoying your connection with somebody, and it's stressing the hell out of this person. Even if you're not with somebody else, they are assuming that you are enjoying your life, you have options, you are having a relationship with somebody, even if you are not showing it to them, even if you are not telling it to anybody. This person is definitely having this I don't know, it's the truth or it's the illusion that you are with somebody else and you're enjoying your life, and it is stressing the hell out of them. They're not able to sleep at night thinking about this. They're scared that they lost you for good this time and they are never going to be with you again in this lifetime because you just cut this person's ass out of your life, and this is stressing them a lot. This person is getting nightmares about this situation. This person is stressed out beyond words because of you being with somebody else, or you enjoying your life with somebody else, or you moving on with your life, and they're not liking it at all. It's like they're not liking it at all. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Cappies. We have the King of Pentacles, the World, and the Magician. Yeah, their intention is to manifest a brand new beginning in this direction. They know that this connection is over, they know that this relationship is over, there's no stability left in the connection, there's nothing left in the connection that they can do anything about. Instead of manifesting, see, it's like they can't let you go out of their mind, out of their system, out of their heart and soul. They just want to manifest a brand new beginning in this direction, in this situation, because according to them, even if this is completely done, completely gone, even if the situation is completely gone and done, they just still want to manifest a brand new beginning in this direction because they still feel there's unfinished business in this situation, and everything is going to be fine one day, if not right now, because they can't let you go. So one day universe is going to hear their prayers, and they might be able to manifest a brand new beginning with you, if not right now, in the future. So they want to get out of this feeling trapped in the situation and manifest a brand new beginning in this direction. Okay, let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 18th of August. Cappies. We have the Eight of Pentacles, the Hanged Man, the Five of Swords. Bottom of the deck is the Ten of Pentacles. Instead of coming towards you, they are going to listen to their mind, and their mind is telling them to put in the effort and energy in surrendering to the divine, and in just staying still, standing still, and doing nothing about the situation. In fact, putting in the effort and energy in the right direction, in their business, in their job, in their current career, or listening to their family, or listening to what their family have to offer them, family business, or a relationship from their family side, a proposal from their family side, whatever it means. This person right now is very much focused on their money, job, career, and right now they are in this energy of standing still instead of coming towards you, because they know even if they are going to connect with you, or even if they are going to say or do something in this direction, you are going to cut this person's ass off your life, or you are just going to reject them or insult them or hurt them in some way, shape or form, and they don't want it at all. So to protect themselves from being hurt, they are right now in this energy of, let me focus on money, job, career, my own stability, and let me just stand still, because there's no use of going towards Capricorn, at least for the time being. Okay, cool. Let's see the guidance for you guys, Cappies, in the situation. Strength card. Don't do anything. Don't move, don't say anything, don't go in their direction, don't try to explain them anything, don't try to communicate with them. Just hold on your horses, just calm down, just relax and do your own thing. Capricorn, even if you don't have anybody in your life, just pretend that you are very happy, pretend that you got your own shit together, and pretend, fake it till you make it, because this is very very important for you to value yourself. Take like a, you should know your worth, you should know what you deserve. Okay, so actually fake it till you make it. If you are already in a connection, in a new relationship, then fine, just fantastically fine, move ahead and don't look back. Okay, just go ahead, go beyond the situation, because this is not a soulmate anymore, this is a stalemate kind of a situation. It's gone, it's done, say goodbye and move on. Cool. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Cappies. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.